Welcome back to our channel. Today we bring you a heart-touching story filled with hope, courage and the beauty of life's final moments. This is the story of the last leap of Artoman, a tale that reminds us how even the smallest things can inspire strength, faith and immortality. So stay with us till the end because this story is not just about a leaf, it's about life itself.
Let's go.
Last leap of Artoman. Artoman was coming to an end. Most of the trees had already lost their colorful leaves, which now lay dry and broken on the ground. Only one old oak tree still had a single leaf left on its branch. The leaf was small, dry and weak, yet it held on tightly. The villagers noticed it and often about how brave it was to stay when all the other leaves had fallen. Some children even said it carried the soul of Artoman. There was also an old artist in the village. He loved the leaf because it reminded him of life's strength. Every day he walked to the tree, sat down and drew lectures of the leaf. It fights against time, he said softly. One night a big storm came. The wind was strong and the rain was heavy. Everyone thought the last leaf would surely fall. But the next morning, when the sun came up, the leaf was still there, shaking but alive. The artist felt inspired. He painted the leaf on his last canvas with all his heart. That night, when the air turned cool, the leaf finally let go and fell gently to the ground. The next morning, the artist passed away peacefully with a smile, but his painting of the leaf remained full of life and hope. The villagers believed the leaf had not truly died, had lived forever through the artist's work. We achieved on this story that his main message, that means moral, the last leaf shows hope and courage. Even when life ends, true beauty and strength can live on in memories, art and love. Knowing that the last leaf teaches us that even the weakest and smallest things can gain the greatest strength, hope, courage and love never die. They live on in memories and hearts. If you felt inspired by this story, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more motivational tales. Remember, every ending is also a new beginning. Stay hopeful, stay strong. Thank you for watching and see you in the next story.